Hello guys, this is Dhruv Agarwal and I'm pursuing my MBA from ILM Lodi Road. I've been studying and receiving formal education for past 18 years without particularly knowing how to study, which was a bit of an eye-opener for me. I came to know about this program from my father and fortunately was able to do it during this lockdown period. Before this program, I used to have different reactions while studying or towards studying, like loss of concentration or focus, overwhelmingness while studying, forgetting what I've studied in a short while, anxiety, headaches, and there are many consequences to these reactions. Personally, it affected my self confidence, and I started hesitating as I didn't know the reasons behind these reactions. By doing this program, I was able to understand the reason behind these reactions and was able to tackle these problem properly and able to understand the concepts. It helped my self confidence, and I'm more sure about myself. I feel more happy by doing this program. Fortunately, my trainer, Mr. Manish Kumar, is a wonderful trainer which helped me understand this program very easily and effortlessly and stress free. Receiving personal coaching sessions from Mr. Manish Kumar is one of the best learning experiences of my life so far, and would recommend this very highly. Thank you.